My name is Ajay Malviya and I am a student of College of Agriculture Riva. Today I am presenting PPT on topic seed production technology. Introduction. Botanical name Solanum melongena, family Solanaceae, chromosome number 2n बराबर 24. Origin India, other name eggplant. ब्रिंजल के यूजेस हाई इन न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू, रिच इन मिनरल्स जैसे कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, फास्फोरस, पोटास एंड आयरन, ए गुड सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन ए एंड सी, यूज्ड एज कुक्ड वेजिटेबल्स, यूज्ड इन पिकल मेकिंग एंड इन डिहाइड्रेशन इंडस्ट्री, excellent remedy for those suffering from liver complaints. Brinjal classification. First, classification on the basis of growth habit. Solanum melongena variety esculentum. Fruit is long, round and oval. Solanum melongena variety serpentinum. Known as snake brinjal, fruit is extraordinary long. Solanum melongena variety depressum. Plant is extensively short and dwarf. Second, classification on the basis of fruit shape. Long brinjal, pusa purple long. Round brinjal, pusa purple round. Oval brinjal, pusa kranti. Third, classification on the basis of fruit color. Purple brinjal, PPL, PPC. Green brinjal, Arka kusumkar. Climate and soil. Brinjal is the warm season crop. It is susceptible to severe frost. It requires a long warm season before fruit maturity. Optimum temperature is 22 to 33 degrees centigrade. Brinjal can be grown on a wide range of soils. The ideal soil should be a deep, fertile and well drained. Soil pH 5.5 to 6. Season and seed rate. The brinjal seed production can be taken up in the following two seasons: May, June and December, January. Seed rate. सीड रेट वेराइटीज़ का 400 से 500 ग्राम प्रति हेक्टेयर एंड हाइब्रिड्स का 200 ग्राम प्रति हेक्टेयर. वेराइटीज़ IIHR बेंगलुरु से निकली हुई वेराइटी है अर्का कुसुमकर, अर्का सील, अर्का निधि, अर्का सीरीज, अर्का नीलकंठ, अर्का केशव. एंड IARI न्यू दिल्ली से रिलीज हुई वेराइटी से पूसा क्रांति, पूसा पर्पल क्लस्टर, पूसा पर्पल लॉन्ग, पूसा अनुपम, पूसा पर्पल राउंड, पूसा भैरव, पूसा उत्तम, पूसा बिंदु, पूसा अंकुर. GB पंत यूनिवर्सिटी पंतनगर से रिलीज हुई वेराइटी से पंत ऋतुराज, पंत सम्राट. HAU हिसार से रिलीज वेराइटीज़ हिसार प्रगति, हिसार श्यामल, हिसार जामुनी. PAU लुधियाना से रिलीज हुई वेराइटीज़ है पंजाब बरसती, पंजाब नीलम, पंजाब सदाबहार. हाइब्रिड समय वेराइटीज़ है पूसा अनमोल, अर्का नवनीत. हाइब्रिड सीड प्रोडक्शन. हाइब्रिड सीड प्रोडक्शन द प्लांटिंग रेशियो ऑफ फीमेल एंड मेल पेरेंट adopted for hybrid seed production is normally 5:1 or 5:1. For production of hybrid seeds, crossing program is done using emasculation and dusting methods as followed in tomato. Isolation distance. Brinjal is a cross-pollinated crop. The certified seed production field must be 100 meters away from other brinjal variety or vegetable field. It will enable us to maintain the genetic purity and also physical mixture at the time of harvest. Nursery. Sow the seeds in raised nursery bed of 20 cm height in row of 5 cm gap and covered with sand. 8 and 10 nursery beds will be sufficient to transplant 1 acre. Apply 2 kg of DAP 10 days before pulling out of seedling. Transplanting. Seedlings 8 to 10 cm height with 2 to 3 true leaves. Seedlings should be hardened before transplanting. Transplanting reeds and farrow system. Spacing depends on soil fertility, climatic conditions, and varieties. Example: long fruit varieties 60 into 60 cm, round fruits varieties 75 into 75 centimeters. Manuring 25 to 13 tons of well decomposed FIM is incorporated in the soil before transplanting. NPK 180-60 kg per hectare is generally applied. Half of nitrogen, full quantities of phosphorus and potash is applied at the time of transplanting, while the remaining quantity of nitrogen at 30 days and 45 days after transplanting. Pest and disease management. The pests like foot borer, shoot borer, beetles, aphids, mealybug, and jaycids can be controlled by spraying Novacron of methyl parathion. The red spider mite can be controlled by spraying in Calthine. The important diseases are dumping of and little leaf, which can be controlled by spraying fungicide and systematic insecticides. Powdery mildew, leaf spot, and anthracnose diseases can be controlled by spraying Benlate. Harvesting. In brinjal, harvesting has to be done in 8 to 10 pickings. The first and last one or two harvests may be taken for vegetable purpose, and the fruit from remaining picking may be used for seed extraction. The seeds from the above pickings are normally possess high vigor and germination. Well-ripened fruit alone are to be harvested, and medium